If you're choosing between Gemini Pro and Gemini Ultra, this really comes down to one question. Do you actually need the extra power, or is it overkill? Let's break it down. Gemini Pro is designed for everyday use. It handles writing, research, coding, and general tasks very well, and for most users, it's already more than enough. It's fast, reliable, and integrated into Google's ecosystem, making it great for things like Gmail, Docs, and basic productivity. The biggest advantage is value. You get strong AI performance without paying for top-tier pricing. The downside is that it has limits when it comes to very complex reasoning, large files, or heavy workloads. Gemini Ultra is the flagship model. It's built for maximum performance, with stronger reasoning, better handling of complex prompts, and the ability to process much larger amounts of data at once. It's especially useful for deep research, analyzing long documents, advanced coding, and high-level problem solving. It also performs better with multimodal tasks like working with images and large data sets. The trade-off is cost. It's significantly more expensive, and many users won't fully use its capabilities. So the real difference is this. Gemini Pro is for everyday productivity, while Gemini Ultra is for heavy, professional-level tasks. If you mainly use AI for writing, casual coding, or general productivity, Gemini Pro is already enough. If you're doing advanced research, working with large files, or need the best possible performance, then Gemini Ultra can be worth it. Bottom line, Gemini Ultra is not necessary for most people. It's only worth the upgrade if you truly need the extra power and scale. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.